Tesla Giga Texas production progress already yields some very real fruits because we have some very good news about Tesla Model Ys. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Like this video if you find the information helpful, and share in social media. I would greatly appreciate it. So we have some very good news about Tesla Model Ys deliveries based on what we see at Tesla Giga Texas progress. Tesla is reducing the delivery time of Model Y long range to its United States customers by approximately 4 weeks. Basically, Tesla is reducing the delivery time of Model Y. How is this happening and what this indicates? This indicates progress in ramping up production at Giga Texas and consolidating success in increasing production capacity at the Fremont factory. So things are going well at the Fremont factory at Giga Texas. This is why Tesla is reducing the delivery time of certain types of Model Y vehicles to 4 weeks. In a moment, I'm going to tell you that Tesla has been able to achieve the same result with Gigafactory Shanghai, but let's start everything by its order. Tesla has shortened the delivery time of Model Y long range for its customers in the United States, which has been noticed by Sawyer Merritt on Twitter. Merritt is a regular Tesla blogger that tweets on Twitter about Tesla news several times a day. Now, when ordering a Model Y long range with 19-inch Gemini wheels as standard, the estimated delivery date is March-July 2023. which is a 1-month reduction from April-July 2023 earlier. When ordering Model Y LR with 20-inch induction wheels, which are priced at $2,000, the lower cap of delivery time was also reduced by 1 month to December 2022 from January 2023. At the same time, the upper cap of the estimated delivery date remains the same as it was in April 2023. So really good news. These changes indicate that Tesla continues to successfully increase production at Giga Texas, which is already affecting the speed of its vehicle deliveries. Tesla is able now to deliver more vehicles in a shorter time thanks to the success of production, progress of production at Giga Texas. Late last week, the factory announced a major milestone. If you remember, I reported that at TorqueNews.com. If you haven't seen, look it up on our YouTube channel. Giga Texas announced, actually some people on Giga Texas announced that they're reaching production capacity of 1,000 Model Y electric crossovers per week. At the moment, there is every reason to believe that production capacity at the factory continues to grow, which means that Model Y delivery time may be even further reduced. This means that as things are improving at Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Shanghai and in the Fremont factory and in Giga Berlin, this means that we should see Tesla shortening the delivery times of Model Ys and other vehicles. Because as the ramp up is continuing successfully in these factories, we should see more cars available and shortening the delivery time. In fact, it was just this morning that I reported a big progress at Gigafactory Berlin. Especially look forward to this. Giga Berlin is going to add a 3rd shift in December. They already operate in 2nd shift, which they just added recently. Now, as they hire more people, they're going to add the 3rd shift, and the hiring, as said by Jörg Steinbach, Brandenburg's economy minister, is going successfully. Tesla is able to handle or tackle that challenge very well. They're going to add the 3rd shift hopefully before December or on December. More Model Ys are going to be available, and Tesla is going to cut the delivery time. In addition to all of this, the Fremont factory also reached a record production capacity in June 2022 and is likely to have maintained the result. So a lot of good news. Now, I promise that I will tell you what's going on in China. Same thing is happening in China. Couple of days ago, it was in the news, I think it was August 18, that we reported that Tesla has managed to cut Model 3 and Model Y delivery times in China, an important market for the car maker, after upgrading Gigafactory Shanghai to add more production capacity. So the good news is not only about Model Ys, but also if you have ordered the Model 3, and you're going to see some good results if you are in those markets that are sent Model 3s from Gigafactory Shanghai. But as more Model 3s are produced at Giga Shanghai and Fremont factory, this is good news for general all Model 3 reservation holders. By the way, are you Model 3 or Model Y owners? Could you please comment why you chose Model 3 or Model Y, or write any comparisons? I would like to know what people are choosing these days, because Model Y is becoming more and more interesting cars and more popular cars, as Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, has said that they want to make Tesla Model Y the best-selling car in the world. Not only the best-selling electric car, it is already the best-selling electric car, but also the best-selling car in the world. I think currently that title is held by Toyota Corolla, but once the Model Y gets more and more sales, I think it will be able to dethrone it, maybe in 2023, 2024, I don't know. Anyway, so the demand has rarely been a problem for Tesla, and over the last few years, it has resulted in long delivery times for many variants of most models. The automaker has been increasing production capacity to catch up to demand, but the latter has still been outpacing the former. That means demand is outpacing the production, leading to Tesla stopping new orders of some models in order to reduce the backlog. In China, Tesla has also been experiencing strong demand, but production has also been ramping up rapidly. Over the last month, Tesla upgraded the plant to achieve a production rate of 1 million vehicles per year. Today, these days, more precisely, it was, I think, August 18, Tesla announced a significant improvement in delivery time for the Model Y rear-wheel drive, which is Tesla's cheapest and most popular model in China. So you see, the good news is not only about Gigafactory Austin's improvements, but also improvements in China. Tesla cut the delivery time from 8 to 24 weeks to 4 to 8 weeks. Now, in the United States, earlier here today, I reported that it cut the Model Y certain delivery times, certain types of Model Y delivery times to 4 weeks. In China, it's cut from 8 to 24 weeks to 4 to 8 weeks. Still very good. Now, both sides, Tesla fans and Tesla dislikers, are interpreting the news in different ways. On the one hand, Tesla fans believe that the automaker has managed to significantly ramp up production through its recent factory upgrade, which is cutting down the delivery time. On the other hand, Tesla naysayers believe that demand has fallen, resulting in this shorter delivery time. We should know in few weeks, when China releases its vehicle registration data for August to September, numbers should be more telling. Once we get the numbers, we will know who is more correct, Tesla naysayers or yeasayers. That's it. Tesla issues in China are not over, as a drought has been putting a lot of pressure on the grid, and Tesla has been asking the government to help maintain power at Gigafactory Shanghai. And we'll read yesterday that Tesla's Giga Shanghai is still producing normally, despite claims that the factory is affected by limited production or closure measures due to extreme weather. According to the report by Axios, a massive heat wave in China is forcing manufacturing plants to either slow down or limit production for Tesla, Apple, and the Toyota. Tesla Radio also reported on the heat wave, which was first mentioned by CNN a few days ago. Friends, what do you think about the cutting the delivery time, speeding up the delivery of Model Y, Tesla's efforts? Remember a couple of days ago, Elon Musk tweeted on that, saying that we understand long delivery times are not good, we're making efforts on this, and we see the results now. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla electric vehicle news. Like this video if you found the information helpful. I would greatly appreciate it. And also, please comment your thoughts in the comment section below, sharing social media. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And I'll see you soon in our next report.